Roots Multi-Clean Limited, India's largest manufacturer and exporter of cleaning machines, was started as a joint venture in the early 1990s. State-of-the-art manufacturing facility, comprehensive marketing and after-sales service network enabled the company to deliver optimum solutions for customers' cleaning needs. As a strong addition to its line of products, RMCL proudly presents the RSR-6000, a truck-mounted sweeper built to suit the Indian conditions. The RSR-6000 is mounted with a powerful auxiliary engine to power the vacuum suction, side brushes and the dust suppression system. It has a fresh water tank capacity of 1000 liters that supplies to all the dust suppression spray nozzles and the onboard high-pressure water jet. An uninterrupted cleaning is ensured by the auxiliary lamp that helps to avoid the risks during absence of light. The RSR-6000 also has a large hopper capacity fitted with a dust suppression system and grab hooks to keep the debris within the hopper. The control switches are placed inside the cabin and are positioned ergonomically for the operator's comfort. All the functions of the sweeper can be controlled from within the cabin. All the working system, including the centrifugal fan, are hydraulically powered. The turbo diesel engine triggers up the process. A spray bar provided below the bumper suppresses dust along the path of the sweeper. The two side brooms and two suction inlets make the cleaning process efficient. The side brooms are accompanied by water spray nozzles to suppress dust. The sweeper enables super-fast cleaning with the two large suction ports present along with the flap-type doors, making debris collection easy and handy to the operators. It creates perfect sweeping results by cleaning sidewalks, pavements and verges by taking away tough and hard-to-remove settlements. The rear of the RSR-6000 is fitted with the flexible wander hose. The flexible wander hose helps the operator to collect dirt from trenches, gutters and areas difficult to access. The hopper has a powerful hydraulic system that tilts to an optimum angle, enabling to empty the collected debris from the hopper. The high-pressure water jet can be used to clean not only tough stains on roads and walls, but also the machine itself. Roots Multi-Clean has engineered the RSR-6000 for high-performance cleaning. Roots, adding value.